Hello everyone, welcome to today's video shoot. Alright, so today at Brightway Manufacturing.
Yeah, yeah. What do you do?
Come on, sir.
Yeah. It
Hello.
was not on, but it's now on.
Check the sound. Hello. Hello everyone. Okay, alright. So let's continue, alright. So today we are at Brightway Manufacturing Company Limited, and today we are going to talk about the vertical cutting dryer. Today we have a fully assembled vertical cutting dryer, and these vertical cutters are going to be shipped in America and Canada, alright. They are for a client to be shipped in Canada. So let's talk about Brightway vertical cutting dryer. Why are they so good, and what is their advantage over the other ones? Okay. All right. So let's talk about them and as you visit them. Okay. All right. Okay. So Brightway vertical. All right. So as you can see, Brightway vertical cutting dryer are assembled in a way that they handle very volumes of uh, high volumes of separation fluid. All right. So as you can see, the vertical cutting dryer is up there, and then the separation fluid that comes down is down. All right. So then vertical cutting dryer, it has a rotation speed of over 900 RPM. All right. And the biggest advantage of vertical cutting dryer is made of hard alloy. All right. The alloy that is made of is quite good in that it can perform at a very high temperature and at a very high working environment. All right, like for example, when the environment is harsh and or humid or temperature is very high, it can still perform. All right, that's one advantage of the Brightway cutting dryer. All right, so as you see there. All right. So the pressure knife is quite good, and the independent oil cooling system. All right. So as you can see, uh, the um, the cooling system is placed in a way that it lubricates the system, it saturates the oil system in the vertical chamber because it keeps on rotating. All right. So in that process, the cooling system is very important because as it spins, it creates heat. So the heat that is created needs to be lubricated and reduced. So this is one important aspect of the cooling system of the Brightway vertical drive. It makes it very crucial in the operation of the vertical drive. All right. So next we talk about the as you can see. Next we talk about the motor. The motor for this vacuum dryer has a capacity of about 34 resolution, and the capacity of all right. All right. So next, you can also see that the the vertical cutting dryer here has a capacity of about um, 0.5 kilowatts. So that's the small motor for the oil pump. So you can see the oil pump here. This oil pump circulates the oil as I had mentioned earlier. All right, and that's the small motor and the main motor. So this main motor has a capacity of 55 kilowatts. All right, as it's used to rotate the main separation valve for the vertical cutting dryer. All right. So these back-cutting dryers also have a maximum processing capacity of 40 tons of drilling per hour. All right. The hard alloy discharge stripper extends the service life for the system. All right. All right. So as you can see, they have a processing part of 6%. All right, which makes it really, really good. So these backpacking dryer have been exported to more than 1,000 pieces, all right, to many different countries, which include America, India, Africa, and so many other countries. All right. And in addition, these vacuum dryers can also be customized according to customer requirements. They can be modified to customer requirements. The processing and the capacity can all be modified. All right. As you can see, this client required the vacuum dryer to be raised up. All right. Some of them are at the bottom, whereby when the separation is done, the separated water goes into the separation tank directly. But this one was raised, whereby this is the outlet for the vacuum dryer. So customization and other specifications can all be done according to the customer requirements. All right. So we can vacuum dryer have a frequency of 60 hertz and an of about 160 amps. All right. So next. So next we talk about the Brightway screw conveyors. All right. So these screw conveyors are manufactured and assembled here in Brightway. All right. So what's the main purpose of these screw conveyors? So these screw conveyors are used to transfer particles or drill-free or drill mixtures. All right. This one can be of different, whether they different sizes, whether they are big or small. So they transfer from this side to that side, or whether from the other side to this side. All right. So these screw conveyors have quite a good thickness. All right. So when you look at the thickness of the conveyor itself, it's quite strong. All right. It's quite strong and tough. So which makes it quite long lasting. All right. Quite long lasting, and this is one advantage of Brightway equipment manufactured by Brightway. All right, so you can see the thickness of the screw conveyor, the outer shell. The outer shell is quite good. It is the thickness of about 2 centimeters, which is quite strong and durable. All right, and the alloy which is used to make this equipment is quite good. All right, so then let's talk about the screw conveyor motor. All right. All right. So this is the screw conveyor motor. All right. So this is the one which spins the conveyor from left to right. All right. So this screw conveyor has a capacity of 20 horsepower. All right. So this conveyor, the direction can be changed. It can either be pushing forward or pulling. All right. So the processing direction can be also be modified. All right. So as you can see, it is XE, which means explosion proof. All right. So this main motor has a capacity of 15 kilowatts. All right, and an amps of about 251 amps. All right. So which makes it very, very good for hard working processes. All right. 25.1 amps. All right. So this is quite good. So next, so we can see here, this screw pump also has the oil inlet. All right. Why? to lubricate the engine, the engine part, because it keeps on rotating. This is the oil inlet, all right. So it keeps the system lubricated such that it continues and perform. All right. So these screw conveyors are also set for customer in Canada, all right, and they are ready to be exported. Right now, they are doing some final assembly and to be exported. All right. So next, let's talk about the process of this. So here we have a screw conveyor which is under testing. All right, and so as you can see, this is the performance. All right. So drill cuttings can be put here and then they are transported to the other side, all right? And also the direction of it can also be from the other side to this side, all right? So that's the process of the screw conveyor, all right? Okay. So you can see every spare part of this screw conveyor and all additional parts are all available, all right? Are all available, all right? So next, let's talk about this part. So this is the receiving valve for the screw conveyor, all right? So when the separation build comes in here, this it collects the drill cuttings which need to be pulled from the one side to the other side here, and then they're transported to the other side. So these type of screw conveyors are also available, all right? Are also available for sale, all right? And all the spare parts are also available, all right? Okay, so these are also other additional parts for the mud agitators, all right? These are other parts for the pumps, for the other spare parts which are ready to be exported. All right, then these are additional parts, additional motors, all right, which are sealed, are ready to be shipped. Okay, as you can see, this is a very quite big factory. So then let's talk about the other parts of the Decanter centrifuge, which are being assembled and ready to be shipped. All right. So let's go. Let's go to the so you can see here additional assembling of the vacuum dryer. All right, so next we talk about the Decanter centrifuge. So the Decanter centrifuge, produced by Brightway are widely used in industries such as petroleum exploration, petrochemicals, all right, food, electricity, and medicine. So the company can design and produce different types of Decanter centrifuge from low speed, medium speed, high speed, and high frequency Decanter centrifuges. All right. So here is the different setup for the Decanter centrifuge. All right. So these Decanter centrifuges are used to separate drill fluids from about 2 to 7 microns. All right. So as you can see here, this is a different assembly for the Decanter centrifuge. All right. So let's go up and check it out. All right. So this Decanter centrifuge was also XE proof. which means the expansion pump. All right. So this small motor has a capacity of about 10 horsepower. All right, and it's used to rotate the other end of the of the of the of the Decanter centrifuge. All right. So this Decanter centrifuge is assembled in the way whereby it has a main motor, all right, and the secondary motor. So this this main motor is the one which rotates the separation valve. That's the separation valve. All right. So this main motor has a capacity of about 55 kilowatts. All right, and then this is the rotation belt. All right, and then this is the separation valve. So the separation valve has two ends. Those two ends separates the liquids come out this side, and then the fine soils come out on the other side. All right. So the separation valve is also made of high steel alloy. All right. So this high steel alloy is one strong advantage of Brightway, whereby it helps in increasing the performance and the longevity of the Decanter centrifuge. All right. So that is one advantage of this Decanter centrifuge. Okay. So then let's go check out the other one. Okay, so then all right, so as we continue seeing the different assemblies for the Decanter centrifuge, as you can see this layout is quite different from the other one, because this one, the client required one which is raised up. All right. Okay. So now the Brightway exports these Decanter centrifuges to many different stakeholders, including Sinopec, NPC. All right. Okay, right. So as you can see this one, and so let's go up this one, and then we see the process for assembling this one. Okay, so as you can see the layout for this Decanter centrifuge. All right. So these are the two outlets that I was talking about. All right. So this Decanter centrifuge, when it separates, okay, it separates the liquids come out this side, and then the solids come out this side. So this is one for the what? For the liquids, for the fine solids, all right. And then this is for the liquids. The liquids will come out this side, all right. So these are two holes. When it spins very fast, the liquids are separated from one side to the other side, and then the material is made of hard alloy, and that's one advantage for the alloy, because it increases the performance of the high speed Decanter centrifuge. All right. So this is same assemblage of this Decanter centrifuge. All right. So the capacity is still the same. All right. As you can see, this one has a capacity of about 40 horsepower. All right. Same. So different ones. High speed, as you can see, the size different. High speed, medium speed, and then low speed Decanter centrifuge. All of them are available and can be assembled according to the customer requirements. All right. So all right. So as you can see, Brightway manufactures and assembles every part of the Decanter centrifuge. All right, every part of this Decanter centrifuge is manufactured and assembled here at Brightway. All right, with the connection raid, all of them manufactured and assembled here. Even the connection belts. Okay, so the one advantage of Brightway Decanter centrifuge is that the way they are assembled and the material in which it is made in. The material is really good and long lasting. It's called the alloy 2205, which is a very, very strong alloy used in making of these high quality and high processing equipment used in separation of oil and gas equipment. Okay, so this is a brief tutorial for the current state of the Brightway equipment manufactured here at Brightway, and I would like to take this opportunity to invite all the stakeholders who are highly interested in all these equipments to contact us and be able to make negotiations on how we can go forward with these equipments and process them. So thank you so much, and if you need any kind of equipment used in oil and gas waste liquid separation, please contact us and we shall be able to help you out. Thank you so much, and good night.